Good luck, girls.
Go, girls! Go on, Rhiannon!
Nothing is so good, it lasts eternally. Perfect situations must go wrong, but this has never yet prevented me wanting far too much for far too long. Looking back, I could have played it differently. What a few more moments, who can tell? But it took time to understand the man. Now at least I know him well. Wasn't it good? Oh, so good. Wasn't he fine? Oh, so fine. Isn't it madness? He won't be mine. But in the end, he needs a little bit more than me. More security and freedom. I know him so well. No one in your life is with you constantly. No one is completely on your side. And though I put my worth here with him, still the gap between us is too wide. Looking back, I could have lived differently. Learned about the man before I fell. But I was ever so much younger then. Now at least I know him well. Wasn't it good? Wasn't he fine? Isn't it madness? He won't be mine. Didn't I know how it would go if I knew from the start? Why am I falling apart? Wasn't he fine? Isn't it madness? He won't be mine. But in the end, he needs a little bit more than me. More security and freedom. I know him so well. It took time to understand him. I know him so
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, West Norfolk has even more talent.
Cameron's mum and her best friend, please, once again, make a lot of noise.